Hello again, Pollito Sochain here. Now we're going to show you how to mint the book on book.io. It's really simple. For this example, I have already created an account and logged in. If you don't have one, I suggest you to check out the previous video where it shows you how to make one. So, first, navigate to book.io in your browser. Now we're going in the main page. Go ahead and click on the tab NFT Bookstore. In this window, it's going to display the 3 most recent books to be released or released if there's no new book to mint. In our example, we're going to mint Don Quixote. Scroll down and click on the Mint Now button. It will redirect you to the minting page of the book. It describes you the main plot of it, how many copies are for sale, and how many unique cover designs are there, and the pricing. Note that if you have a Gutenberg Bible, you'll get a discount in some mints. It's the first of the project book. We recorded this video a few moments before minting is enabled. Let's wait a couple of seconds for it to open. Now it's open. Click on the button Mint Now. A pop-up is going to display asking a simple question and how many do you want to mint. In our example, the answer to the first question is chicken, and we decided to mint the max amount, that is 5. Next, click on the button Continue. It will take us directly to the queue. Let's wait a moment until our turn is up. Fast forward, it's our turn to mint. Click on the button Copy Address and open your wallet. Then go to the Send section, paste the address recently copied, and set the ADA to send the amount. Proceed to send and enter your spending password. Confirm it. The transaction is submitted, but it hasn't been confirmed. When it does, it takes a couple of minutes for the project book to detect the payment. Your turn lasts 30 minutes, so you have plenty of time to mint. We'll fast forward and finally our payment is successful. You can click on the button Reveal to see one by one your NFTs or just see them all in your wallet. That's all. Thank you for listening.